guys! I'm your Rampadora girl. Guys, I show you today how to put face mask in proper way and the other tips ko dyan sa face mask kung paano siyang gawin. So, let's go! Turuan ko kayo guys. Hello guys! Yun, ito na guys. Ituro ko sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin yung face mask. Ito yung ginagawa ko guys kung paano siya paano ko siya gamitin. So first yan, ita-tie up natin yung buhok natin kasi yan, itali natin buhok yan. Itali na yan siya guys. And then I use this one, my hairband. Ayan, oh my god. Ayan. Para ano siya guys, hindi masali. Ayan. Bulaga! Ayan. Diba? Lapad ng noo ko. Ayan guys. So, ano na siya. Naano natin. Niligpit na natin mga buhok natin dyan. So guys, before you put face mask in your face, make it sure you wash your face properly. Ayan, I done wash my face guys, and then I show you guys my face mask I use. Tadaan! Yan! Yan ang face mask ko guys. Is Active Bird'sNest Moisture Mask. Ayan. Is under by GM Solution. It's a Korean face mask guys. Yan, gustong-gusto ko to siya guys. Ayan. I have another, hindi na, iba-iba yung face mask ko guys. May snail ako. Ayan. At saka ano ba pa dito? Ayan. Ito, glowing. Ayan. Ay, glow luminous aurora mask. Ayan. Ito, itong pinky. At saka I have snail. Yan. Yung snail. Ayan. Pure natural ano siya. Pure natural mask. Ayan. But I choose this one. Ayan. Paiba-iba yung face mask ko guys. Ayan, yan. So, ayun na. Lagyan na natin sa mukha guys. I open it. Malamig siya guys kasi malamig na dito. Is ganda. Ayan. Ito na siya guys yung face mask. So guys, don't throw this one guys. I show you how to use after we put our face mask. And just put on other side lang. Gustong-gusto ko to siya kasi malaki. Swak sa mukha ko malaki. Ayan. Swak sa mabilog kong mukha guys. Ayan. Ito. Ito siya. Ayan. This. Ayan guys. So, diba? So, malaki siya. As in, kasya sa mukha ko guys. Meron namang ibang face mask na maliit lang siya guys. Pag maliit yung mukha mo, okay lang yun. Pag malaki katulad ko, ito. Ayan. I put here. Ayan. So, easy lang guys. Let's just like that only. Ayan. Just like that. See? And then put here. Cover to your face. Ayan. Oh, lamig guys. Super coldy. Kasi it's winter here already in Hong Kong guys. It's so malamig. Ayan. Ayan, it's so cozy. Ayan, diba? Swak na swak sa mukha ko guys. Malaki. Ayan. Ayan na siya. Ito ang ginagawa ko, guys. Before I sleep, ayan. Nagpi-face mask ako kasi nagda-dry na yung skin ko because of cold. Ayan. Kahit summer guys, ito din ang ginagamit ko. Pag summer kasi, syempre, mainit. Kailangan din natin mag-refreshing yung mukha natin. Ayan. Pwede, ayan. Kailangan din natin mag-refresh. Ayan. To smooth your skin. Ayan. Ayan. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes, guys, yung face mask. Ayan. Okay, that's it. Okay, so easy, guys, so easy. So the next is you see, have a essence, guys, have a watery slime, just like that. Rub your hands, and here, hindi ko siya tinatapon. Why? Because may ano ba siya, natirang something watery inside. Yung essence niya, guys, ayan. I show you. May natira po siya, guys. Ayan. You see? You see that? Ayan. Kaya, wag niyong itapon, guys. Don't throw after you get the face mask inside. Okay? Kasi mayroon pa siyang laman. Lang watery drop, drop, drop. Ayan. And I show you guys the secret. After I put my face mask is like this. And then I rub in my hand. And rub in my hand, and then rub in your elbow and arm. Ayan. In your, like that, in your neck. Ayan, guys, that is my tips. Ayan. And please don't throw after you get the face mask sheets. Ayan. 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 Gawin mo siyang ganyan, guys. Ilo-lotion mo siya. Gawin mo siyang lotion. Ayan, to glow your skin also. It's not only for the face. It's only glow to your arms and your neck. Ayan. To become smooth also your arms. Ayan. Ito ginagawa ko lagi, guys. Kaya hindi ako nagtatapon ng ganito. Hindi ko siya tinatapon after I get this one. So, yan. Yan ang secret ko, guys. Yung ano ko. After I get my face mask inside. And then may natira pa siyang watery essence niya. So, I rub all over my arms and hands and my neck. That is. And then, I leave this 20 minutes. Hello, guys. So, I'm back. Tapos na yung natin, 20 minutes. So, tatanggalin ko ito siya, guys. Tingnan nyo, na siya, guys, yung face mask sheets natin. Parang dry na siya. Kasi, nag-absorb na sa skin natin. So, tanggalin natin, guys. Ulaga! Ayan, ayan. Yan na, guys. So, ito siya, guys. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin after you take it out this. And please don't throw it. Ayan. Kasi may ano pa siya kunting masa-masa. Ayan. This I use, guys, after I get off my face mask. I rub also here. Ayan, I rub also that one. And then like that. And then rub that. Ayan. Kasi I see may essence pa siya. And also you can add to your face also. Ayan. 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 As in, guys, may ano po siya ang laman. Ayan. So I put again here. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Gawin ko siya ulit ng lotion. Ayan. 10 to 20 minutes is okay, but it's okay to 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on you, guys. Sa akin, minsan nga aabot siya ng 30 minutes. As in, i-dry ko talaga yung face mask sheets. Ayan. Ayan. After you take out the face mask, guys, no need to wash or no need to wipe out your here in the face. No need to wipe. Just leave it to dry. Just leave it the essence of the face mask. Ayan. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Just leave it. And later on, it will become dry. Ayan. It's okay, just leave it. No need to wash or wipe. No need. Just leave it. After you take it out, the face mask after 10 to 20 minutes. It's okay. It's okay to 30 minutes. It's up to you. I hope may kayo na may natutunan kayo sa tips ko. Ayan. Also, guys, the face mask is not only for the girls. It can use also for the boys. If you want. Ayan. Lalo na dyan sa pag mainit. Guys, maganda gumamit kayo ng face mask during summer or winter. Kung wala kayong winter dyan, it's okay for summer. It's okay. Ayan. before you sleep, you can use it to smooth and to smooth your skin. Ayan. Kasi it can help also, guys. Ayan. To moisture your skin also. Kasi pag mainit, guys, ayan, nagda-dry din skin natin. And also, pag winter naman, nagda-dry din. So, minsan, lagyan din natin ng face mask. So, kasi as in guys, maganda talaga pag nag-face mask. So, that is, guys, my face mask. That's it. So thank you so much, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and hit my notification bell for more videos to come. By the way, I'm your Rampadora girl. Thank you so much.